Hi guys, here is how to keep the original audio while adding any song to your Instagram Reels. For that, let me quickly open Instagram and tap here, and I will like to post the reel. And I want to use one of this video. Tap on next so you can hear the original sound here. Swipe up to edit. I will pause the video. You can tap on the original video and tap on volume icon to adjust the volume. Now to add music, tap on tap to add audio. You can choose any song you want to add. For now, I will choose the first audio. Please note, I will mute this audio so that I won't get a copyright. Tap here. You can also choose the portion of audio you want and tap on done. So it has been added. Now again, to adjust the volume, make sure that this is highlighted. Tap on the volume icon and you can adjust the sound accordingly. You can also play and adjust the volume as you like. And done. If you do not hear any original sound, you can tap on the main video, tap on volume icon and adjust the volume and listen to it. So please adjust the volume as per your preferences. You can replace or readjust the volume for the added music too. Done. After that, simply tap here and tap next to upload the video. Thank you very much.